Lukashenko is preparing a constitutional coup. What is the danger of the so-called All-Belarusian People's Assembly? Lukashenko's fixed idea on giving the so-called All-Belarusian People's Assembly the status of a constitutional body and adoption of constitutional amendments has not gone away. The real agenda of the so-called All-Belarusian People's Assembly is preparation of another constitutional coup, the result of which may be official consolidation of officials and deputies as the only source of power instead of citizens. What gives reason to think so? The idea to change the constitution according to the amendments that are allegedly announced by people's representatives on dialogue platforms still appears between the lines in the news, press releases and opinions of the media loyal to the regime, state structures, propagandists and officials. At the same time, the official agenda of the assembly is carefully hidden. The second, participants were allowed to attend the open dialogue events only according to the lists, and there is not a word about the real people's demands in the published materials on the results of these meetings. The third, self-appointments take place instead of public elections of delegates according to the Constitution and the law on Republican and local assemblies. The fourth, it's obvious that such composition of the so-called All-Belarusian People's Assembly is appointed from above and is assembled exclusively from its own people with the sole purpose of becoming a new constitutional body which the regime plans to use in the future instead of voters. We are asking people not to ignore the danger of the so-called All-Belarusian People's Assembly. Its obvious anti-people nature and reminds that the people are still the only source of power and do not intend to transfer it to anyone.